Un'emozione molto forte, perché veramente abbiamo desiderato vedere il Santo Padre, davvero a farlo sentire la tenerezza e l'affetto di tutto il mondo.
Yes, I'm really happy because the Pope was in the hospital for many weeks, and I think that he's our Pope. So as our Pope, he has to lead our church. And then he always asks us for prayers. He always is saying, pray for me, and I think that this time, it's a time to pray for him, because he's always praying for us. So that's our Pope.
Visto con tanto entusiasmo e lui era molto contento di salutare la gente, di che si era gemelli sotto a gemelli, e anche ha notato una signora che aveva dei fiori gialli e l'ha salutata. Poi si vede che lo sforzo che gli ha comportato questo gli ha fatto tossire e l'hanno subito riportato dentro, quindi speravamo di pregare l'Angelus con lui, ma non è stato possibile, ce lo siamo pregato da solo. Comunque è stato bello vederlo e lo aspettiamo qui vicino al Vaticano.
Tutti e vedo questa signora con i fiori gialli e brava.
Pope Francis was released from Rome's Gemelli Hospital on Sunday after 5 weeks of treatment for double pneumonia in what had become the most serious health crisis of his 12-year papacy. Shortly before leaving hospital, the Pope made his first public appearance in 5 weeks, coming out on the balcony at Rome's Gemelli Hospital to greet hundreds of well-wishers who came out to see him. The Vatican said he went into the Basilica briefly to pray. He was then brought back toward the Vatican. He has now gone back to the Vatican, to the Casa Santa Marta where he lives. His doctors have said he will require a further 2 months of rest to recuperate and to recover. As he's 88 years old, he has other health conditions, and it will take time for his body to fully heal.